Seniors, this is the last video focusing on the answers to worksheet number 2 on integration with U-Substitution. For this video, we're going to look at numbers 5 and number 6. All right, for number 5, we're looking at the integral of sine x divided by cosine x dx. In this case, I am going to set u to equal cosine x. The reason I want to do that is because when I find du, I get negative sine x dx, but notice in the original it's positive, so negative du equals positive sine x dx. Again, the reason I chose cosine x to be u is because if u was sine x, the derivative would have been cosine x dx. But here, cosine is a denominator, but not dx. So that's why I'm using cosine x instead as u. Notice that sine x dx is right here. I can rewrite this integral as 1 over cosine x, because cosine is a denominator, times sine x dx. Cosine x is u, so we have the integral of 1 over u. Sine x dx is negative du. I'm going to pull out the negative in front. The integral of 1 over x is the natural log of the absolute value of x. So in this case, the integral of 1 over u is going to be the natural log of the absolute value of u. And don't forget the negative sign. And then plus c. All we have to do now is replace u with the cosine x. So negative natural log of the absolute value of cosine x plus c. Now, this is one answer that you could have. Notice we have a negative in the front of the natural log. We could rewrite this so we have natural log of the absolute value of cosine x to the negative first power. 1 over cosine x is secant, so we could have also have an answer as natural log of the absolute value of secant x plus c. So you could have two different answers, but they represent the same thing. All right, the last problem. Number 6, we have the integral of 2x plus 1 divided by x squared plus x dx. I am going to use x squared plus x as my u. Notice that when I take the derivative du, we get 2x plus 1, then dx. I am going to rewrite my integral, so I have 1 over x squared plus x times 2x plus 1 dx. Notice that my x squared plus x is u, and 2x plus 1 times dx is just du. I can rewrite this integral in terms of u, so 1 over u du. Again, the integral of 1 over u is going to be the natural log of the absolute value. Do not forget the absolute value, plus c. We're just going to replace u with what we know what it is, which is x squared plus x. So my final answer is going to be the natural log of the absolute value of x squared plus x plus c. And that is my final answer.